These cards are an epic way to get hyped for the War Within, the new WoW expansion. That's what we're going to be doing right after this pack, so let's hope this last pack magic on this Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection blaster box gives us a hit. And let's hope the War Within becomes a hit. Hoping for an epic story in that game. StarCraft on the back, Phoenix. Ooh, that's a nice card, Malagos. Very nice looking card. Reinhardt. Abator. Roger Cube-Teriel, that's an insert card. And our Molten is an Uther Lightbringer. This pack is delivering. Leoric. Deckard Cain. And Phoenix. Pretty solid pack.